Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate product recommendations with Shopify, full guide step by step clearly. To automate product recommendations with Shopify, start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Navigate to the Apps section in the sidebar. Search for and install an app designed for product recommendations. Popular choices include personalized recommendation apps like Recommender or Frequently Bought Together. Once installed, access the app from your Shopify dashboard. Follow the app's setup instructions to configure general settings. Select the category of products you want to recommend. Adjust the settings to personalize recommendations based on customer behavior. Enable analytics features to track performance. Integrate the recommendation widget into your product pages. Customize the appearance of the recommendations section to match your store's design. Test the recommendations by simulating customer interactions. Monitor the effectiveness of the recommendations using analytics provided by the app. Regularly update your settings as new products are added to your inventory. Consider customer feedback to refine your recommendation strategy. Review sales data to assess which recommendations drive the most conversions. Continue optimizing your approach for better customer engagement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.